First, the raised garden bed cover system has 5 different components, labeled in the manual as A, B, C, D1, D2. Step 1. Attach A to the 2 screw holes at the top of the garden bed. Install 3 A-pieces on each side of the garden bed. Step 2. Connect B and D to form a rectangular shape that matches the garden bed. Note: ensure that both parts are aligned on the same side during the assembly process for proper installation. Place the assembled rectangle on top of the installed A and secure it with screws. Secure it using the specialized screws and accompanying tools. Step 3. Assemble D1 and D2 to form an arch. Finally, install it on top of the rectangular shape. Step 4. Place the net cover over the frame. Secure the net cover in place using the ties.